Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Apple's $550 over-ear headphone. Now before I review it, let's go ahead and unbox it. So in the box, you'll find the AirPods in their smart case, which when you put the AirPods into, will automatically enter the low power mode, which will help save battery. Also in the box, you'll find some paperwork and a charging cable to charge the AirPods, which you can plug in right at the end of the right AirPod. Now, about the AirPods themselves, the entire AirPods case is made of metal, which does get cold to the touch in winter and makes the AirPods weigh quite a bit, but otherwise makes it feel really good and premium. Then on the side of the AirPods, we have a stainless steel telescoping arm, which moves the AirPod earpiece up and down and rotates it around 90 degrees. Then the headband is made of a really soft silicone material, which is made to help reduce the on-head pressure. And just like AirPods Pro, AirPods Max has interchangeable earpieces which you can use to change to different colors, like silver, blue, green, pink, and black. And then you can easily re-snap them on using the built-in magnets. It also has two buttons on the left earpiece, one which you can spin to control the volume, and one which you can use to switch between noise control modes. Now, I know you're probably wondering, at this price tag, AirPods must have some amazing sound. So, is the sound any good? Well, I personally think the sound is really good, and probably the best sound I've ever heard from any headphones. I also think it's far better than the sound of AirPods Pro, and miles better than the sound of AirPods. An extra is that AirPods Max also have spatial audio, which puts sound all around you so you feel like you're in the middle of the movie or TV show you're watching. Another hit of AirPods Max is their microphones. In fact, AirPods Max have 8 microphones around them. Now, you might be wondering, why do AirPods Max need 8 microphones? Well, one of the reasons is noise control modes, which I mentioned earlier when I was talking about what the side button on the AirPods does. So basically, switching between noise control modes means that AirPods Max have 2 different modes: transparency mode, which uses the microphones to hear what's around you, and noise cancellation, which cancels all the noise around you. So I've got to say, the active noise cancellation on AirPods Max is amazing, and probably the best of any headphones I've ever reviewed yet. But how good does the microphone sound in general? So yeah guys, this is what the AirPods Max microphone sounds like, so let me know down in the comments below if you think the microphone is good or not. So, do I think that AirPods Max are worth a hefty price tag? I only think it's worth it if you're an iOS user and you need really good sound or really good active noise cancellation. One thing I will say is that since AirPods Max are made entirely out of aluminum, they weigh a lot. In fact, when I wore the AirPods for a long time, my head actually started to hurt because of how heavy the AirPods are. And so this is one of the reasons why many headphones, including the original AirPods, are made of plastic. I still think it's a bit overpriced with the hefty price tag of $850 Canadian. And another good choice for over-ear headphones with really good sound and active noise cancellation is the Sony WH-1000 XM4, which have really good sound and really good noise cancellation. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.